goes into this sort of trance zone because she was not allowed to come into the house, and she was treated like an outcast. I think सबसे पहले जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, वो सिर्फ एक वॉरियर नहीं थी बट एक नर्चरर भी थी, एक माँ थी. And most importantly, I think whatever she went through as a woman for the sake of love, because she was so in love with Baji Rao that, she sacrificed a lot of things to be able to be with him. And I think as far as the film is concerned, I think ये सबसे बड़ा advantage है एक actor होने का, कि through the films that you do, हमें अलग अलग किरदार निभाने का मौका मिलता है. And especially a film like Mastani, where I think it's been Sanjay sir's dream for the last 15 years to want to make this movie. On one hand, I think I can get to be Piku. On one hand, I can get to be Tara from Tamasha. I can get to be Mastani from Baji Rao and Mastani. I think that's the most amazing part about being an actor. And yes, of course, being an Indian contemporary, someone who belongs to this generation, it's only through the movies that I would have been able to go back in time into this era and into this century and experience what women of that time would have experienced, or experience or live the life that Mastani would have lived.
तो संजय सर के साथ हमेशा ये ग्रैंडियर कैसे आ जाता है, ये मैजिक हैपेंस. आप उनके और आपके एक मैजिकल लार्जर देन लाइफ रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बताइए.
आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट है, बहुत ज़्यादा हम एक दूसरे को ट्रस्ट करते हैं. एंड आई थिंक एज क्रिएटिव पीपल उन्होंने मुझे बहुत क्या कहूँ, बहुत इनकरेज किया है, और बहुत ज़्यादा ही इज़ गिवन मी अ फ्री हैंड. whether it was in Ramleela or whether it's in Baji Rao Mastani, वो एक बहुत ही कोलैबोरेटिव डायरेक्टर हैं. बहुत इनकरेज करते हैं एक्टर्स को कि हम क्रिएटिवली इन्वॉल्व हो जाएं एक सीन में या इन द फिल्म मेकिंग प्रोसेस. एंड आई थिंक दैट itself gives an actor a lot of confidence from within. And according to him, there's nothing that's wrong. On paper there is a particular scene, but when actors come in, you can have a completely different interpretation of it, and he'll never question it. He's never going to be like, oh, that's not correct, or no, it has to be this way, or it has to be that way. He's very, very collaborative as a director. Is your daughter? Hi.
Deepika, you just said that there is a war sequence in the film. So could you say something about that? Will that be one of the major highlights of the film?
Yeah.
And
I think, again, physically very, very challenging. I think in the way that men are built, I think men find it easier to go to war, whether it's the climate conditions, whether it's how heavy the swords are, or whatever talwar that one is using. I sometimes wonder how she did it. It was physically draining. It was so exhausting. On one hand, you're trying to balance being on a horse, and on the other hand, you're like trying to kill people. It's very, very exhausting. So I don't know how she went to war so many times and did it so, fearlessly. And she was a part of the troop. She was a part of Baji Rao's army. So she was obviously as powerful as or more than the men.
Deepika, what have you to say about this postal impact? क्या कहोगे पोस्टर को देखकर? आपकी आंखें बहुत कुछ कहना चाह रही है.
आपको क्या लगता है मैं क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ आंखों से? Please give him a mic, yaar.
Yeah, definitely. What have you to say about this? It's a beautiful poster, in fact, and your eyes are speaking a lot, in fact.
What does it say?
बहुत सिंप्लिसिटी है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल आंख लग रही है और बहुत फोकस लग रही है किसी चीज पर एक्चुअली. आप क्या कहोगी?
ये एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सीक्वेंस है फिल्म के अंदर, जहाँ से we've taken this image. Oh God, I'll have to tell you all the story now. But yeah, it comes at a point when she faced a lot of opposition from his family, and she goes into this sort of trance zone because she was not allowed to come into the house, and she was treated like an outcast and sent away when she came to meet Baji Rao. And can I say? I shouldn't say, na?
No, it's okay. It's
I shouldn't
okay.
say. So yeah, it's basically
There's an
yes. If you
intensity.
talk just about the emotion, yes, it is. She was fearless, but at the same time, I mean, she had a lot of strength. She had a lot of power, but at the same time, she was also very vulnerable and very, very fragile. And I think that's what makes Mastani so beautiful in that sense, because she had the strength of a warrior, but the fragility and the beauty of a woman. And I think we've tried to capture that in this image.
Deepika, on your left. Yeah, on your left. Congratulations for the poster launch. My question to you is, right from the first look, from the first teaser of Bajirao Mastani, people have compared this movie with Bahubali. And prior to the release, Bahubali also launched a big grand poster. So don't you think now again people will compare your poster launch, be it Bajirao poster launch or Mastani poster launch, with Bahubali once again? Don't you think?
No, not really. I mean, even if there are comparisons, the films are completely different. I haven't seen Bahubali, so I don't know what that film is about. But I definitely know that that story is very, very different from what Baji Rao is. So yes, maybe from an event point of view, yeah, maybe some people might feel like, oh, it's, you know, it's a big poster or it's a big film. I mean, they're also big films. Bahubali was also, if I'm not mistaken, a period film, or you know, in that. Sorry.
Kalpanik.
Yeah, exactly. So I think that in that sense, yes, maybe people will feel like, because of the scale of the film. But of course, when you see the material itself, and of course, most definitely when you watch Bajirao Mastani, you'll know that, you know, it's very, very different.
दीपिका, एक सवाल है कि मस्तानी में और खुद में आप क्या समानता पाती हैं, क्योंकि वो भी जुझारू है और अपने हिसाब से लड़ती है, जितना मुझे समझ में आया। आप भी अपने असल ज़िंदगी में काम के प्रति उतनी सजग रहती हैं। क्या समानता पाती हैं आप खुद में और मस्तानी के बीच में?
Similarities, na? I actually, मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी similarities हैं वैसे. Not just me as Deepika or not just me as an actor, but I think हर एक औरत के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं एक मस्तानी है. ये पहले भी मैंने कहा है. Because हर एक लड़की या हर एक औरत मल्टीटास्क करती ही है, और हर औरत के अंदर ये सब क्वालिटीज़ हैं. Like I mentioned, she's a warrior, she's a nurturer, she's a lover, she's a mother. So I think जो भी qualities मस्तानी में हैं, I think हर एक औरत के अंदर हैं, and I think that not just me, but I think every woman, after watching the film, I think every woman will identify with this character. Yes, the period is different. But if you talk about the soul of her as a woman and what women today are, I think it's exactly the same.
Deepika, here. Deepika, first of all, looking absolutely stunning. How do you manage to look so effortlessly beautiful all the time?
You don't always have to praise me. It's okay.
Okay. Deepika, is this film physically and emotionally the most draining that you have done till date?
Yeah. You'll probably think I'm stupid because every time I meet you all and every film that I talk about, I talk about how emotionally draining that film has been. I remember saying that about Cocktail some years ago. I remember talking about how draining that was. But yes, this has been physically, mentally, and emotionally a very, very, very draining film. I think we've given more than 100 days to complete the shoot. I mean, me individually has given 100 days. I'm sure the film has gone on for more than 150, 200 days. So it's not, and I don't mean it only from a point of view of the time that an actor is on the set, but it's also, even when you're not shooting per se, if a film is going on for 1 year, then as an actor, you're living with that feeling, with that emotion, with that character for as long as, until they call, like today they'll call a film wrap. And that's the only time that you realize that, my God, like actually that film is over. And then as an actor, you can start switching off from that part and literally start unshedding the character that you've become over the years or over the months. So carrying that character with you is also very, very exhausting. So yes, I may not be shooting for Bajirao Mastani every day, but until it's a film wrap, that character's still on your mind. You're still thinking of what else you can do. So in that sense, it's very, very physically and mentally and emotionally draining.